Early the next morning, at dawn, 89572 and 35716 were ready to put their plan into motion. As soon as their crews fired them up, they left the shed slowly. Like I said before, said 35716, this plan can't possibly fail. And he followed 89572 to Christian Station. Later at Christian Station, 35716 and 89572 were waiting for their trains to be shunted by Tyler, who had just got up a few moments after they did. Oh look, here comes that little engine now. Let's try and have some fun with him. Quite right, my friend. Quite right. Tyler was slowly shunting the cars for 39576's freight train. This was the opportunity that 35716 and 89572 were waiting on. I do say, Tyler, do hurry along with my freight train. Yeah, you wouldn't want to make him late, would ya? That would be pretty bad indeed, said 35716. An earful from the original, said 89572. Alright, keep your sleep on. I'm coming. Jeez. You do know that I work just as hard as you two, right? Oh yes, you're quite important indeed, Street 5716. But the only important thing you're doing is shunting trains with bigger important engines while you're staying here in the yards doing nothing. How corky you two, said Tyler. I'm already tired enough from yesterday, and I don't like working under pressure when I'm tired. Yeah, said 35716. We all live and learn. Now, why don't you run along and get my own coaches, Don't want to be late for the passengers. Fine, groaned Tyler, and he puffed away. Tyler grumpily went to go get 89572's coaches, and he crossly brought them to the station. Then he brought them to the platform for 89572 to pull. There, you got your coaches. Now kindly hurry along, said Tyler. 35716 then buffered onto his goods train.